Welcome to Nextgen World, your ultimate destination for exploring the world's most incredible innovations, breathtaking ships, and futuristic creations. Today, we dive deep into the magnificent return of one of the most celebrated cruise ships in history, the Allure of the Seas, now reborn as the new next-generation version officially unveiled to the world. After years of anticipation, Royal Caribbean has finally revealed the upgraded Allure of the Seas, and it's not just a cruise ship anymore. It's a floating city, a futuristic marvel that blends luxury, technology, and sustainability in ways we've never seen before. From the moment you step aboard, it's clear that this is not just an upgrade, it's a complete reinvention of ocean travel. The new Allure of the Seas is designed to redefine what a cruise experience feels like. With cutting-edge smart technology, passengers can now enjoy an AI-assisted travel companion through the Royal Caribbean app, offering real-time navigation around the massive ship, personalized dining suggestions, and even interactive entertainment schedules based on your mood. The ship is powered by next-generation hybrid propulsion systems that significantly reduce carbon emissions, making it one of the most eco-friendly mega ships sailing the oceans today. Every deck of the Allure of the Seas tells a different story. The iconic Central Park is now even greener, featuring living walls, fresh air systems, and real-time temperature control for a perfect outdoor experience no matter the weather. The boardwalk has been redesigned with next-gen digital attractions, immersive virtual reality rides, and an upgraded aqua theater that now includes drone shows that light up the night sky with music and movement like never before. For thrill seekers, Royal Caribbean has pushed the boundaries with new adventures. The Ultimate Abyss slide has been re-engineered to be taller, faster, and more visually stunning, enhanced with LED effects that make every twist and turn a glowing spectacle. For those who prefer peace and relaxation, the solarium has been transformed into a futuristic retreat featuring infinity views, mood lighting, and ocean-inspired soundscapes to help you unwind. The staterooms now come equipped with smart glass windows that tint automatically with sunlight, voice-activated assistants, and touchless controls for everything from room temperature to entertainment. Even the dining experience has evolved, featuring robotic servers, AI-curated menus, and immersive dining rooms where projections turn dinner into a multi-sensory journey across the world. Allure of the Seas is no longer just a cruise, it's a vision of the future at sea, a blend of comfort, innovation, and imagination sailing together under one name. With its futuristic design, sustainable engineering, and unforgettable onboard experiences, it stands as a bold statement that the future of travel has truly arrived. If you love exploring the newest and most advanced creations in the world, make sure to subscribe to Nextgen World, hit the like button, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next adventure into the world of tomorrow. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep exploring the next generation of wonders.